Welcome to RiSa Living. We are starting with a new series which blends wellness, lifestyle awareness, emotional balance, and practical tips for everyday living. With the growing and bustling lives, we crave for a soft life which meets emotional awareness and sensitivity. You're not always tired because of life. Sometimes your environment is exhausting you. The clutter, the unfinished corners, the visual noise. Your nervous system absorbs more than you realize. A messy space creates a heavy mind. Your brain keeps processing everything around you: the laundry pile, the crowded desk, the things that keep postponing. And slowly, your home stops feeling restful. Peaceful spaces change your energy. Like sunlight helps, fresh air helps, soft lighting helps, even one clean corner helps. You do not need a perfect home, you just need a space that lets your mind breathe. You can start small. Open the windows, clean one surface at a time. Remove and discard what is no longer feels like you. Declutter your home. Declutter one room at a time. Sometimes healing begins with your environment. You don't need to completely transform your home overnight. Start small. One drawer, one shelf, one peaceful habit at a time. With this video, you make a pause and reflect. If this resonates with you, subscribe to RiSa Living for more such videos on mindful living, emotional wellness, and creating a softer, healthier life for yourself. I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.